Okay guys, so I'll open the NetBeans right now. Let it get open, it will take some time. Till then guys, you can basically, it would be amazing if you simply comment it out. How are these tutorials going on? Do you like it? Does it making matters to your knowledge you are having? I am assuming that you do not know anything in J2EE guys. So I'm simply explaining the basic concept right now. So are you getting everything or are you getting most of it? Can you make most of it? If it does guys, then my effort has actually applied effort to a right kind of thing and my time is not wasted. So please let me know that. All the things which you don't like, you can also tell me that thing, no worries. Healthy discussion is important for the growing of community, remember? That's why. So I hope it has get started. Yes, it does. So let me see the application which I'm thinking of making. Which one is this? Multi-valued. I will be looking over to it. It is this one. So we have this I have dot forward. What is this? I need to check the which project is this so that I can explain it to you all guys. And I think it is servlet request forward. So let me run it. Okay, once again, sorry guys, it will take some of a bit time. So you see, I have write the code that is development. I have built the code that is building, and now I am deploying the code to the all the clients, and that is deployment. These are the three phases of J2EE. I know you already know that. You are sharp, man. We have already covered that in previous tutorial, don't we? Let it get started. I need to make sure that the program I'm actually beginning to explain you all guys is correct. Sorry guys, feeling sleepy. So deployment takes a hell lot of time. That's one of the things we understood. See, it's written over here, deploying servlet request forward. It's taking a lot of time, I must say that. I'll pause it and then when it's done, I'll come back to you. Or it shouldn't take that much time. It should be done by now. Or it should be done within few seconds. I hope so. Let's see the output. Output Apache dummy started and ready to accept connections on port 1527. This is the servlet request starting glassfish server. So we can understand that. Okay, see, this is a glassfish server. This computer you are seeing right now acts as both of the thing, client as well as server. Whenever this computer is actually a client, but whenever it sends a request to the server, that glassfish server makes this computer from that time behave like a server. So it will process the request itself which it has made and then sends the answer to the client thanks to glassfish server. We have more server like that, like we have Apache Tomcat server. Believe it guys, glassfish is the best one. It comes integrated with that means so you do not need to set up it. So guys, guess what? The program has been run, it has been deployed. So we were talking about the servers, isn't we? So to the NetBeans IDE glassfish server, similarly we have Apache Tomcat server. Apache Tomcat server is open source. So you will find it quite easily. You can download it, install it, but you need to set up it. So I'll tell you just a glimpse of how what you need to do. Well, basically in the tool, I guess so, there must be servers. Go to over here and add your Apache Tomcat. I have already set up Apache Tomcat too. You need to write the server name over here, server type, which is Apache Tomcat. Catalina is basically a dynamic variable, you can say, for the Apache Tomcat. Just like for in the Java core, we have Java home as variable. You know now, guys, what is Java home all about? Hope you do. If you don't, comment it out and I may think of creating a new tutorial of it. It's related to setting up platform Java virtual machine, and I think you have already did it in Java core. That's why I'm not covering it over here. Similarly, we have in Apache Tomcat Catalina home and Catalina page. Username and password for the Apache which you specify during installation phase. Server port and shutdown port. Enable HTTP monitor. So that's for Glassfish and Tomcat. So you can do it from over here, add server, and select Apache from over here. Similarly, we have JBoss, we have Oracle Web Logic. It is one of the best server used. So if you want a proprietary but powerful server, use WebLogic. Use Apache if you want a free server. It's totally free. Glassfish is not a free, but it has a hell lot of more functions compared to Apache. You can basically download Glassfish from torrent as a free, can't you? But guess what? In the latest version of NetBeans, you are getting the Glassfish already installed, and it's even free. So I think so. Is it open source or not? I don't think. I don't know. Well, I think it is open source, but I don't know. Glassfish one. So that's regarding server, and then you see that the out once the Glassfish server is run, the request, well, basically from the client is sent to the Glassfish server. The request is processed and sent back to the client, which is my PC. So we have it after Glassfish server 4.0 in place deployment. See, this is configuration file. You remember deployment.descriptor file? This so basically the program has scanned for deployment descriptor just to check, just to get to know the basic default configuration. Then initializing, setting project property. Okay, so with this we did it, all these things it get run. We'll get to know more about this code in the incoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe.